Mitral stenosis auscultation features and murmur sound description. Auscultation features. First, we can hear opening snap because mitral valve suddenly opening with a force. It is a low-pitched, rumbling mid-diastolic murmur. Loud first heart sound is a typical finding of mitral stenosis. Murmur best heard in apex and becomes louder in at the end of the diastole. Auscultating method: auscultate with bell of the stethoscope held tightly at the apex. And patient should be lying on the left lateral position in expiration.